Week, I travel 80 to 90% for work. I have spent countless nights in 3 to 5 star hotels all across the United States, and every once in a while, I come across a gem. Now, if you are not a fan of old world or Victorian type hotels, you would not love this room tour, but I can definitely appreciate it, although it's not my personal style. This week I traveled to Charlottesville, West Virginia, and I opted to stay at the Boar's Head Resort after reading some reviews and after comparing some prices. It was very, very comparable, and in some cases much cheaper than your typical hotels chains such as the Hilton or the Holiday Inn Expresses or the Omni, the ones that I typically stay in when I travel from city to city. So I wanted to check this out because I absolutely love history. I appreciate our history, and the history behind this hotel chain was just so amazing. They have been a member of the historic hotel chain since 2001, and they opened their doors back in 1834, and they recently underwent a very, very huge renovation, and here are the results. And I love the fact that they did such an amazing job at mixing history and old world furniture in with all of the modern day amenities. So they had Wi-Fi in the hotel room, like everything that you would have in your standard 4 or 5 star hotel, you had it here. But it also had these beautiful touches such as the monogrammed pillowcases, and there we go. I wanted to show you guys the phone charger that you would get at your standard hotel. I love the beautiful pillows on the bed, and then the bathroom had this amazing sliding, I think it's called a barn door, so amazing. And also I had this great view that I will share with you in just a moment. But I was so impressed with this hotel room. It was like a home away from home. It was so comfortable and so cozy. The amenities were 5 star. The gym, the business center, the restaurants. Oh my God, the food was so amazing. And then once you enter into the bathroom, it was really well put together. I always kind of judge my bathrooms by the materials used in the shower. As you can see, they did a great job there. And I also like to look at all of the toiletries that they provide. And of course, they did not disappoint on the toiletries. The lotions and the shower gels and shampoos were so beautifully packaged. I absolutely loved it. And I'm going to show you guys kind of what that looks like. Yeah, now I'm trying to get my camera to kind of adjust to the change. You guys know I'm getting used to this new camera. And there is the shower gel. It smelled absolutely amazing, and I love beautiful packages of soap. So it did not disappoint. So it's by Gilchrist and Company, and absolutely beautiful. And the countertops were absolutely amazing. It was just, I cannot express the feeling that this room gave me. I absolutely enjoyed myself. On the side of the mirror was this quote by one of our presidents. And actually, I think we had 3 presidents that were from Charlottesville, Virginia. So you guys leave me down in the comment below. What 3 presidents do you think were from Charlottesville, Virginia? I thought that was such an interesting piece of history. And during the Christmas holidays, oh my gosh, this place is absolutely amazing. So I'm going to be sure to visit again during Christmas. They were taking down decorations whenever I checked in. On the back of my room, on my patio, it was a gorgeous view of the lake. And the lakefront although it's winter, it's still absolutely beautiful. And I have seen some pictures of it in the summertime, and oh my goodness, it's so gorgeous. The grounds are so well kept. I think it's such a gem. If you guys are in the Virginia area, you guys definitely want to check out this spot. It is so affordable, but I just think the accommodations are so classy and timeless. And also, when I checked in at the beginning of the video, I shared this, but these are old room keys. I thought these were so cute. They had the little boar's head on each key, and I thought that was such a cute part of history, or such a beautiful part of history that they have preserved over the years. So I hope you guys enjoyed this room tour and enjoyed me sharing with you my home away from home. Now, don't expect to see an overload of hotel rooms, because like I said, I check in them every single week, but when I see something as special as this, I will be sure to share it with you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't already become a Lux for Less member, I would love for you to become a Lux for Less member by hitting the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. And if you haven't already, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. I'm always updating there. And until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!